Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video, I will show you how you can work from home without investment and earn online money by using the simple and basic skills. Let's start the video. What is a logo? Logos are symbols made up of text and images that help us identify brands we like. But they can be so much more. A good logo is the cornerstone of your brand. It helps customers understand what you do. Logo design skill is very important in online earning platforms like Upworks, Fiverr and other online application. Thousands of freelancers are design logo and earn lots of money, and gradually logo designer jobs increase day by day. So if you want to earn online without investment, then logo design work is the best choice for you. Where I can design my logo? There is lot of software and online site are available that allow you to design a logo, but that all are pay site. But I will show you the best online logo design site that is totally free and it's very easy to use. Now open any internet browser and search free logo design. Open first link. Here is home page of free logo design. Here is language selection option. Here is login and sign up option. Enter your company name. Here you can write your company name. I will write my channel name Star Technology 5G and click on Get Started. You can see the site design logo with template. You can directly download logo without doing extra work. You can see there is lots of logo are available. Other categories are also available. Click any category. There is lot of logo are available in this categories. You can select any of one. But I will select the first one. Click on choose. Adjust the text size that best suit for your logo. If you want to change design, you can change it. Change color. Select this item. You can also delete item. Also delete other one. We can add shape. Select any shape you want to add. Adjust its position and size. Change its color. If you want to add icon, click on Add Icon button. Search star. Select any icon you want to add. I will select this star. Delete these items. Adjust its position. You can also change the text position. Click on Edit button. Select fonts. If you want to curve text, then click on this icon. And curve the text with the help of this scale. Now adjust the text according to your logo. We can also change the text color. Change color pattern that match with text. Logo is ready. Click on Preview. You can see logo looks great. Now click on Download. Click on free download. First name. Star Technology. Email address. startechnology5g@gmail.com. Click on download logo. Click on open. You can see logo is ready. With this basic logo design skill you can earn $100 every day without investing any money. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.